Wow, check out this little hairpin turn. Hey folks, this is Matt Criscuolo coming to you up close and personal from the Amalfi Coast in Italy. I just wanted to let you know that I have started a brand new channel called Matt Mobiles. It happens to be a really cool channel where I'm going to be driving all sorts of super cars and fun cars, interesting cars, and cars that you tell me about. So do me a favor, there's a link in the description below. I'd love it if you can join my channel, subscribe, like, comment, and share it. And let's get the show on the road, huh? Literally. I happen to be driving this little Volkswagen 2023 T-Roc. I gotta tell you, it's a beater. I'm not crazy about it. I'm like, whoa! That's just what we deal with here in Italy. Check out my channel, Matt Mobiles. Hey everybody, it's nice to be important, but it's more important to be nice. And you take it easy, and if it's real easy, take it twice.